Oh.
What do you say? You're welcome. Say Happy Father's Day.
She did a good guy.
Yeah. Is that your hand?
Yeah. On my hand.
Your hand and Clyde's foot?
Yeah, which Clyde's foot's the size of Oliver's foot?
She's not going to tell me I'm with you.
Sure he is. Look at him.
Hi, Rabbit. The grandma. Hi, Rabbit. Please.
No, thank you.
Please.
Here, go give it a daddy. Go on. Go give it daddy. Here, I'll help you. Good. Go, go, go. Give it daddy. Can you give it to him?
Walk with me, Daddy. Walk alongside me, Daddy, and hold my little hand. I have so many things to learn that I don't yet understand.
Hi.
Teach me things to keep me safe from dangers every day. Show me how to do my best at home, at school, and at play. Every child needs a gentle hand to guide them as they grow.
No, Clyde.
So walk alongside me, Daddy. We have a long way to go.
Read the highlighted letters if you can. I know that's kind of difficult.
I love my dad more than anyone. Oh, okay. There we go.
I know, that was kind of hard.
No, just
But you like puzzles.
Thank you, guys.
I'm swimming.
Clyde just wants to wear his sunglasses. Are you reading it, Ollie?
Let's go. But come back.
Here, bro.
Don't like red.
1, 2.
Want to help me out, Dad?
1, 2, 3.
Oh, yeah. Wait, wait, wait. You gotta put him on. What are you doing? There you go. What's up, cool guy? How you doing? Fine, take him off. Oh,
Hi.
yeah.
You're just kind of overflowing the box. I gotta be more careful. You're really top heavy. Whoa. Yeah, you're really top heavy.
Oh my gosh, he's so fast. You out of breath? Keep him on the carpet. No, 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 no. Keep him on the carpet. There you go. Oh.
Push it on and my mouse.
You got it? Push yourself back up.
Those are mighty big steps you're taking.
How's that feel? Is that weird? Can you show me your shoes? He's like pointing at his feet like, hey, looky. Hi. I see you. I see you.
Take a picture. Okay. Hi, what did you just do?
Hit a tree down.
Did you?
Yeah.
It was a dead tree, let's specify.
Good job.
No, back there. Yeah. Wow. How is that even still up?
I have no idea, but I win. Oh.
Cobweb!
You okay, Dad?
Yeah.
I know.
Whoa! Woo!
You should take a run. Come here, Ollie.
Oh, frick. Woo! I said,
Woo! Picture time. What is he doing?
it's too fast.
What is the... Oh. There's nothing for you to pick up. Oh, there's a stick. You're right. You gonna come across the bridge? What are you doing? I'm just looking out. Let's go. Let's go. Bark. Please don't eat it. No! Every time. Come on. You're a quick one.
It's Daddy's turn, Mom.
Look how grown up he is. Ew.
Love me.